And with me today is Curtis Northrup, who is our capital projects administrator. We have a sign-in sheet. Do we have a sign-in sheet?
I do not.
Okay, we do not have a sign-in sheet, so we won't really know who's here. We have a couple members of the public. We have some contractors who are interested in the project. I have received 4 bids on the project. I will be opening them with Curtis and announcing the results. The first bid will be from Amshiv Construction LLC. What else you need?
Envelope sealed and labeled.
It was sealed, it was labeled properly, it was received at 1:35 p.m., which is within the time frame allotted in the announcement for the project.
All right. Agenda.
I'm gonna get to the important part first.
Okay. Total bid.
Okay. Total base bid is $2,270,513.18. 2270513 cents.
Signed. Yep.
Yes, it has been signed.
Should be like a check off form. There it is.
They have their bid submittal checklist provided. What's next?
1, 2, 3.
3 addenda have been acknowledged.
GSCA and
Yes.
non.
That's been, the GSICA
Right, and Title 6.
has been acknowledged. Title 6 has been acknowledged. Bid bond has been provided in the amount of 5%.
Okay.
Need anything else?
Nope.
What's that last column?
Rank after it's all done.
All right, I have an original and a copy. The next bid is from Vertical Earth. It's been properly labeled, it is sealed. It was received at 1:46 today within the time frame indicated. Original and a copy, got the bid submittal checklist provided. Their bid is $3,186,434.87. 3,186,434.87 has been signed. 3 addenda have been acknowledged. Bid bond provided in the amount of 5%. Signed. The security and immigration affidavit has been signed and Title 6 certification has been signed. The next bidder is CMC Incorporated. The envelope is properly labeled. It was received at 1:31 p.m. sealed. There's an original and a copy provided. There's a submittal checklist. The total bid amount is $2,460,700.00, 2460700.
What was the pennies?
00.
The pennies.
0
cents?
0 cents.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. 0 cents. 3 addenda have been acknowledged. A bid bond of 5% has been provided. Security and Immigration Compliance Act has been provided. Compliance affidavit has been provided. Title VI compliance certificate has been provided.
Done.
And it was signed, yes. The last one is from Backbone Infrastructure LLC. It's properly labeled. It was received at 1:36 p.m. within the time frame provided in the announcement, and it was sealed. Is sealed. Flash drive of the bid, I suppose. Cover sheet. Looks like maybe 3 originals. Addenda 1, 2, and 3 have been acknowledged. Security and Immigration Act affidavit has been signed. Title VI affidavit has been signed. Bid bond in the amount of 5% has been provided. Their total bid is $2,394,360.60, 2394360.60. It was signed. Anything else?
Check this.
I didn't see the checklist. But it appears that they followed the bid checklist. Would you?
There.
Tell me who the apparent low bidder is.
The apparent low bidder is Amshiv for $2,270,513.
Since there are unit items in this bid form, I will take an opportunity to verify the quantities have been calculated correctly or the amounts have been calculated correctly, and we'll issue a final version of the bid tabulation. We will post this one until that is calculated as final. I do not have a schedule for award at this time, so we will be in touch with the apparent low bidder with plans for award. Thank you for your interest in